Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, yazi namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngale nzondo engiyibona ikhula ephakathi kwe-EFF ne-MK Party noma kuyisayide elilodwa elikhombisa inzondo leli le-EFF ngoba angikaze ngezwe abe-MK bekhuluma bona bekhombisa ukuzonda i-EFF. Mhlambe ningangicorrect uma ngabe kukhona la kwake kwenzeka khona. Kodwa la ngizwe nje kakhulukazi inzondo ivela kakhulu ngapha kwi-EFF. Uyakhumbula ukuthi uCIC wakudeclare ukuthi nje isitha se-EFF esikhulu number 1 enemy nje EFF umkhonto wesizwe party. Manje ke ngibuyele emumva ngathola amavideo ambalwa noma ngingeke ngisho ukuthi lempi iqale la, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi beyilokhu ikhona lento, kodwa manje ngibona ngathi iyakhula kunokuthi ibe ngcono. Ikukhona ke la inobubi khona. Kunevideo engiyibonile nayo ngizoyifaka la. uPanyaza Lesufu wayikhuluma no Dr Sizwe Mpofu kwi-SMWX la abebekhuluma khona ethi iDA ifuna ukuthi ANC izwane neFF Plus kodwa izonde iEFF neMK. Uzathi mayiqhubeka so iDA bafuna ukuthi bona njengenhlangano zabamhlophe izihlangane zibambisane bese thina inhlangano zabamnyama sisehlukane sibe enhlakanhlakanye nomunye adonsa abhekele nomunye adonsa abhekele. Eze ngithi hawo lento inomthelelo omubi kanti mayilobe iqhubeka yenzeka. Into engizoyenza la ngizofaka amavideo azozama ukuyiveza lento ukuthi into ekudala yenzeka bese sigcina ngale yayizolo ngoba izolo uCIC ushiya into eningi wazo wathi ngisho nasemncwabeni uma kushona ilunga le-MK Party angeke bahambele lo mncwabo. Uma nje kushona ilunga le-MK Party ngeke bona bazibandakanye ne-MK Party ukuthi kuthiwa kuyongcwatshwa lowo muntu loyo. Lokho kungishiye nje nemibuzo eminingi, kodwa ke ngaphambi basingene kuleyo ngicela uqala uzwe la.
We have no relationship with MKP. And even worse now when MKP has made it its program to recruit leaders of the EFF. Tomorrow we are marching to the Constitutional Court with everyone except MKP. The MKP won't be part of our march. If they want to march, they must go and organize their own. But ATM and even ANC can't join us. It's our march. And any other person that has been opposed to Phala can join the EFF march tomorrow, starting from Mary Fitzgerald Square.
Kule video qeda kuyibona uCIC la ukuveza ngokusobala ukuthi njoba babenza imashi la babeya khona Constitutional Court beyokhuluma indaba ukuthi akuboshwe Ramaphosa ngenxa yePhala. Kodwa ukubeka ngokusobala ukuthi iMK Party akafisi ukuthi ibe ingxenye yemashi yabo ngoba imashi ngeye EFF futhi kakhulukazi njengoba umkhonto wesizwe party usuthathe igxathu lokurecruiter ama-leaders we-EFF. Zokhumbula ukuthi ngalezo nsuku kwakuqeda kuhamba uFloyd esuka ku-EFF eyojoyina i-MK Party. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iqale lana-ke inkinga enkulu iqale la kwezisigaba sesibili la ayikhuluma khona no-JJ Tabane echaza uCIC ukuthi bona bacela ukuthi Jacob Zuma former president aba-endorse kushuthi abancome ngoba une-influence kanti yena usehlela ukuvula i-political party yabo babazi ukuthi uma benconywe uye bakunomkhulu umehluko ozokwenzeka. So wasekuthiwa abahlanganeke kusuka lapho ke basebe bayizitha. Kodwa nje la ukuveza kucaca ukuthi asafuna ukuzibandakanya nomkhonto wesizwe party ngoba umkhonto wesizwe suvele wasuka nje wazo recruit ama leaders wethu. Uyabona bengibuka nje izolo botrende enye i-tweet ka Dr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Ngithi Dr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi mayengasashaya abantu ngemfi iphindiwe. Ngesikhathi beyitshela uyojoyina iANC avela join umkhonto wesizwe party angeke kwenze ngiyacabanga ukuthi angavele inzondo anayo uCIC ikhuphukeka ngempela ibe inkulu kakhulu ngoba kuyobe kusho ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party cha umqondile. Ngiyacela usubscribe kule channel, ulike ivideo, ushare umbono wakho la ku-comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngicela nama-advert mayivele uwabuke nawe. Ngokwenza kanjalo uya-contributor financially kule channel. Ungajoin ne-membership yale channel iqala ku-20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu. Asiqhubeke uzwe nansi ivideo esibini.
EFF, we don't want to see MKP anywhere. We will meet in parliament, even in funerals. We don't want them. They everywhere. They're really gazebo. MKP's agenda is to destroy the EFF. Why? They are pursuing a white agenda because the EFF is the only organization that is opposed to white supremacy. Anyone who destroys the EFF protects the interests of white people, and we must never allow.
Lana ke kule video kwase kungakusasa laba sebehlangene khona ke kule masha babenaye sethula lenkulumo njengoba eshu esegcizelela futhi okwesibili sebekhona bonke ke manje ama fighters nabanye abaphuma kwamanye ama political parties ukuthi impela abawafuna amalunga we-MK party. Uthi noma bangabeka igazibo beza bomkhonto wesizwe party bethi bafuna ukukhosela ethunzini, bafuna babaxoxe kuthiwa cha sukane la sibafuni thina abathakathi abazobulala i-EFF ngoba i-plan yemkhonto wesizwe party ukubulala i-EFF kanti iqembu noma yiphi inhlangano efuna ukubulala i-EFF igquba i-agenda abamhlophe kusho kodwa uCIC. Manje lento ngiyayibuka ukuthi inomthelelo omubi. Asike sizwe ukuthi bona abamhlophe bathini. Lana ngizocaphuna uJohn Steenhuisen we DA. Angisambizi ngoba siJohn nangikhuza. uJohn Steenhuisen sizwe ukuthi yena uthini.
If you are anxious or scared about what South Africa will look like following these unprecedented election results, I want to reassure you. I too am a father to 3 young daughters. And like millions of South Africans, I don't want them to grow up in a country run by a party like MK that wants to abolish the constitution, which wants to subvert the judiciary, and that plans to expropriate private property and nationalize the Reserve Bank. These are the things contained in the manifestos of the EFF and MK. And they amount to an all-out assault on the constitution of our country. They will cause untold unemployment, misery, hardship and hunger for millions of our people. And allowing this to just happen will set South Africa's flag and constitution on fire, just as the DA warned during the course of the election. This will signal the end of the South African dream that we all shared in 1994 and for which many, many people paid the ultimate sacrifice to see come to reality.
Lana uJohn Steenhuisen uthi into emkhathaze kakhulu ukubona ama results lawa bekhona kuma elections ka2024 la abone khona iMK ikhuphuka ngamandla ANC yehla wabona ukuthi wase lokho kuvusa ukukhathazeka uthi uma ngabe angwazi ukuthi address abapha abantu kodwa uthi kulabantu aba-addressayo uma ngabe ukhathazekile noma ubuka ikusasa leSouth Africa ongalazi awukho wedwa. Nami njengoba nguJohn Steenhuisen ngikhathazekile ngoba angifisi uthi akafisi ukuthi aphile kwiSouth Africa ezoberanwa iMK noma iEFF. Izathu salokho ukuthi la maqembu amabili kuma manifesto wabo bathi bazo nationalize i-Reserve Bank. Okwesibili kuzoba ne-expropriation of land bese kushintsha i-constitution. Leyo nto le yenza ukuthi bakhathazeke kakhulu ngoba iSouth Africa isezukuba le South Africa ekwavunyelwana ukuthi izoba yiyo ngo1994 uma mzukwane ukhanda iDemocratic South Africa iphuma ku-apartheid uma kungase kuphathela amaqembu amabili. Inokungikhathaza ke kancane mina nje ukuthi kungani fanele iReserve Bank yethu ibe privatized. okuyiyona ethatha inqumo ngebanking sector yethu ibe privatized, kube khona abantu abathi asiyidefend ukuthi ingabi nationalized, ingabe kahulumeni. Buka sibe nenkinga ye-VPS ayikho namhlanje ngenxa yayo i-Reserve Bank. Sinenkinga yesibili ye-Itala Bank okungikuthi namhlanje akubalwa abantu ababalwa ku 400 abantu abazophelelwa umsebenzi. Labantu abazophelelwa umsebenzi ngenxa ya Reserve Bank ngokungavumi ukuthi inikeza abantu abamnyama ithuba lokuthi nabo babe ku banking sector. Bese kuba khona abantu abathi funeka siyidefend ihlala ibe private. Ngeke ngabona enye video ethi iReserve Bank onwa ifamily, angazi noma iseGermany noma ikuphi. Kodwa uyacanga ukuthi kunabantu abavikela lokho. Uzathi mayiqhubeka uma kungase kuphathi MK party noma iEFF ama millions wabantu azophelelwa umsebenzi. Usho ukuthi kulungile mangabe kuba abantu abawu400 abaphelelwa umsebenzi. U400 akuyona inamba encane. Ngifuna ukungena endabeni zepolitiki, kodwa ke manje ngizocaphuna uPanyaza Lesufi chairman we-ANC la eGauteng. Siza ukuthi yena uthini. Emveni kwalapho ke sesizoya kwi-video kaCIC, sesingayivala ke video, kodwa ngicela ukuza umbono wakho ukuthi lento eyenzekayo ngoba mina ngibona ububi kuyo. Kufezeka inhloso ye-DA ukuthi lamaqembu abantu abamnyama angahlangani. Mina ngokubona kwami ngicela ukuza ukubona kwakho.
The DA, Freedom Front, Solidarity, AfriForum love us. I don't know where it comes from. And that if they love us, we must hate EFF, we must hate MK, we must hate other political parties purely because they feel much better when they are united, and we must feel otherwise when we are divided. And I'm saying we must enter that era and find a way of having leaders that can lead us to consolidate and ensure that we work together with those that share our aspirations.
Absolutely.
AZAPO is still there. The PAC is still there. And the need for us to say on the eve of the establishment of the freedom that we enjoy now in 1994, the ANC leadership at that time established something called the Patriotic Alliance. They even brought Bantustan leaders to say, on the basis that you understand where we come from, how do we work together to defeat those that wants to take us back?
Ubaba uPanyaza la ukhuluma into ebaluleke kakhulu. Uyachaza ukuthi njengoba bese ivumelwaneni ne-DA, i-DA yenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi i-ANC ayisondeze i-FF Plus ne-AfriForum bazwane nabo bese bezonda i-MK party ne-EFF. Uthi kodwa manje mawuyibuka lento bayathokoza labantu uma ngabe lamaqembu abantu abamnyama behlukene kodwa bona bebe bamsene. Uzuthi ngathi angazi ngenze kanjani tholakala ama leader azokwazi ukuthi abahlanganise labantu laba abamnyama ukuthi asiyeke ama differences esinawo kodwa sine common goal. I-common goal ukuliberate abantu bakithi abamnyama, ukwenza impilo yomuntu omnyama ibe ngcono. Kusetshenzelwa phekwa lokho. Usho njalo uPanyaza Lesufi, ngiyavumelana naye. Kuleli phuzu ngiyavumelana naye. Ngoba lokwehlukana buka njengoba i-DA ne-FF Plus befisa ukuthi lamaqembu amabili MK party kanye ne-EFF kungabambisani ngoba uma bebamsene bapose threat kubo. Bathini uma ngabe kwenzeka kanje? Abathokozi asisizwe utheni siyayisizolo bese sivala video.
We're not members of MK. We're going to Parliament as EFF. As to what happens with MK, what I don't know. We don't know anything. We don't have anything that has got to do with MK. It just happened that we sit next to them in Parliament, and when issues are raised, we don't first listen to what MK is saying before we can formulate a view. Whether MK is agreeing or not agreeing on any view we hold, it is an EFF view and we'll express it. if they agree with our view, we'll both express it. But it doesn't make us anything. We're not anything. We literally don't want anything to do with MK. We even ask them not to come to funerals of EFF. Don't want to see them. Even us, we have stopped going to the Derby because we don't want to meet them by mistake by the Derby day. But DP has raised a very creative method. Or no, we can go to the Derby. We'll have a separate suit where we'll go. Can we meet them in that thing of presidential or what? Because that presidential thing, you meet a lot of clowns there. So the best thing, let's stay away from those things. We don't want anything to do with those people.
Ukubeka kuyacaca ke la CIC ukuthi abafuni lutho ezobahlanganisa neMK party. Yishwa nje ukuthi bahlale eduze kwabo eParliament futhi kube kuyangaye bekuzothi makurezwa amaphuzu lapha eParliament sengathi bebengaqale bezwe ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party uzothini ebese bekwazi ngoba njengoba bengafuni lutho ebahlanganisa neEFF noma umkhonto wesizwe party uthi noma ungasho into abayizwa ukuthi right fanele yenzeke kodwa ngoba iyobe rezo umkhonto wesizwe party bawufuna ukuyi-oppose ngoba phela mayethi ngaphambi basibe nombono kube bekwenzeka bese uqala esizwe ukuthi bathini babafuni lutho. Uyabona ke manje ukuthi into esebeyibekile noma bese eParliament inzondo yabo nengxabano zabo ukudlula into abayiyele eParliament kuyomela abantu uze uthi uma kungase kwenzeke kube khona umbono weEFF ewesekayo umkhonto wesizwe party siyokugcizelela ukuthi cha noma bangaweseka kodwa umbono wona oweEFF nakhona uma uyibuka lento ibasiza ngani abantu nje abamphakathi nje ibasiza ngani ngoba phela mose useParliament awusamele bona abantu beMK party awusamele bona abantu umela abantu nje abawumphakathi ukuthi lento enizobe niziraise lapha ezithinta abantu asingathinta amalungu eEFF kuphela uze futhi uthi baze babacela ukuthi bangaba sezi nasemncwabeni yamalungu eEFF. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi uma ngabe unomfowenu noma unobani oyiEFF wena umkhonto wesizwe party uma sekuthiwa ukhona ongasekho emhlabeni phakathi kwenu nobabili kuzoma kanjani ngiyazibuza nje ukuthi kuzoma kanjani uyaqhubeka ke uCIC la uthi sebeze ba decide ukungayi ngisho kwiDerby iDerby ke siyazi sokwemidlalo emkhulu njengePirates neChiefs kodwa manje uthi deputy president uze ne-idea ethi abaye kwiDerby kodwa bangahlali ku-presidential suit abahlalise kwenye indawo usethi ngoba lapha ku-presidential suit uhlangana nawo wonke ama-clown kanti bona abafuni nje ukuthi badibane ne-MK shuthi kube kuyangawo ngaba kahlangani ngisho nanomuntu nje we-MK party emgwaqweni yikho nje ukuthi phela impilo izobaphoqa ukuthi bahlangane behlukane kodwa lempi le imsiza ngani umuntu omnyama lebe kuthiwa bona bamele bona balwela ukuthi kuliberate umuntu omnyama uma impi yabo ingena kanje ngoba esikhathini esiningi iqala kanje izimpi zakhona zehlele kubantu ziqala kanje izimpi zakhona zehlele kubantu ngoba njengama leaders fanele ngabe bakhuluma indaba yoxolo yokubambisana yokubuyisana isiphi isibonelo nesifunde sisifunda kubo ukuthi uma kukhona la singabonanga kahle khona ngasolinye funeka senze njani to resolve our issues. So isiphi isifundo ngathi ngiyasifunda ke mina ukuthi ngasifunda kwi-leader yami ukuthi whenever kunama issues sihlala phansi and reconcile uma kukhulunywa kanje angisho umuntu wrong uCIC cha angishongo ukuthi wrong kodwa ngisho ukuthi yini into enhle ngalento ayishoyo yini into enhle ngalento ayishoyo ngicela ke ukuthi mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo ngiyacela kodwa ukuza umbono wakho ngiyabonga.